Hi, my name is Stephanie Zell. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this box right here that I got from YesStyle. I ordered this about a month ago, and because of the quarantine times, I just received it today. And I have been literally waiting so long to unbox this, so I just thought I'd take you with me. This is the first time I've ever ordered from YesStyle, and I ordered skincare, some clothes, just like random things. And so that's what this video is going to be about, just unboxing this, so stay tuned. So I have this little thing that I bought on Amazon. I really like it because you don't have to use a knife. It's not sharp or anything, but it really helps like cut everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use it for that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's skincare in here. I don't even remember what I ordered, but I just placed another order the other day. So this is what it looks like. This is how it comes, like this. The first thing that came was this like sweatshirt. See what it looks like. I'm just gonna open it right here. It's a white shirt with some stuff on it. The quality is not great, to be honest. It looks really cool in the photos, but I'm actually gonna try it on now. I don't even know what size I ordered. It's kind of small, to be honest, but what it looks like. It's okay. I don't know. I thought it'd be better quality, but it's really not that great. And this is a medium and it fits like a small. So when in doubt, order large. Order bigger. Was it worth it? I don't know. I'll have to wear it and see. I'm gonna unbox all the clothing first. This is actually not clothing. This is like a hair towel. You like wash your hair. And so I have a long hair, so I thought it'd be cool to buy this. Let's go with this. Like this. So you pull your hair in here. And then you like go like this. And then you like, there's a button back here. And you just put it on. It fits all of my hair, so I mean, that's good. We'll try it out to see how that one works. I've never tried these before, so. Next I got this. This is all like, I'd get one of these. This is like super small. Like I have a big head, but it sounds so cute. Look. It's like a little headband. I don't know. I just thought it'd be fun, right? Why not, right? How do you guys like this? Should I keep them on? This is all the skincare and stuff. We'll roll into that in a second. I ordered 2 t-shirts. I'm really hoping that these are actually really nice quality. And so far, they come in these zip tie bags. This is a medium. It's a red shirt. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it is so small. I ordered this in a medium. I'm glad I ordered it in a medium, but I just thought the letters were cool, and I don't really have any red shirts. But that's the back. And I don't know, it's cotton or something, but it's a cute shirt. I like my shirts super oversized because it's just more comfortable that way. Okay, and now let's get into some skincare. I got this little brush to use when you put masks on. Pretty cute. And then I got some sheet masks. I got the Innisfree Skin Clinic mask. See that? And I got the Pure Deep Seawater mask. That. Got the Innisfree Special Care mask. This is actually for my grandmother. I'm sending her a box to Panama, and yeah. Then I got the Pure Snail mask. It's that one. I heard that these were really good for your skin. I don't know why I got this. I got the propolis and bee venom mask. That one. And then I got the Innisfree Skin Clinic Peptide Mask. That one. I got a couple more sheet masks. I got the Aloe face mask. This one. I got the Joyful Time Essence Rose Mask. That one. I got, well, this is for my grandmother. It's like a foot mask. See how she likes those. I'll order more of those. And then more skincare. To be honest, I really only went on there to buy this, the Neogen sunscreen, this one. I've been looking for a good sunscreen. As you can see, I am breaking out a little bit on my face, and I have been wanting a sunscreen that's really good for like sensitive skin. For some reason I thought this would be bigger, but then I got the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This one had very high like reviews, so I bought that. And then I also bought another SPF. Actually, I bought like 3 SPFs. The Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. This is SPF 50 I got it by COSRX. I got the Hydrolyzed Wheat and Protein Silk Shampoo. I got all this shampoo and I didn't get any conditioner. This one. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. How do I do this? That's that. Then I got this other sunscreen. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is what I've been waiting for. I got the Wrinkle and Whitening Eye Cream. This is supposed to like really help with under eye circles. What it looks like right here. Then I got my mom she's been telling me that she can't find a really good like brown eyeliner for her. So I got her this. This is a brown eyeliner gel. Hopefully that works, so I'll buy her more of that if she likes it. Then I got this hair fixer, which is kind of cool. It looked cool on the website, so I got it. 1 second hair fixer. So what you do is you open this. I don't want to open it though, because I'm doing a K-beauty haul. So you open this like this. And it's supposed to like help when you put your hair up. It's supposed to flatten all the baby hairs. And it had high, that's what it looks like. It had high reviews, so. Hair mask. This is so cute. Look, oh my god, I love the packaging. Look at this. This is what it looks like, and then you open it like this. Isn't that so cute? It's so little though. Look how little it is. I need like 5 of these for my hair. But this is supposed to be like, so this is like a mask. This is what it looks like. And then I also got this ink velvet. This is like really cool. Oh my god. Should I try it on? No, I'm not gonna try it on. I'm not gonna try it on. I'll try these out and then I'll do a video about how I liked everything. But yeah, I'm excited to try everything. That's pretty much it. Just those are all the things that I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just me unboxing a whole bunch of stuff that I got for this. I just thought it'd be fun to do. I think I have plenty of masks. My favorite thing that I got that I can't wait to try is the sunscreen and the whitening cream, the whitening eye cream, because I heard that this stuff is amazing and I can't wait to try it. And then just the sunblock and all the hair stuff and everything. But anyways, I hope everyone has fun during this quarantine. I will be uploading more soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I think my favorite was these. They're so cute. So stupid. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I will do more in the future if you really like it. Please leave a comment down below if you've shopped here before and what your favorite item is to buy there in skincare and anything. I just placed another order. It's a lot smaller than this. But yeah, have a great day. Enjoy your quarantine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. Don't forget your SPF.